Welcome back to the wonderful world of future technology. Industrial automation and robotics are the use of computers, control systems and information technology to handle industrial processes and machinery, replacing manual labor and improving efficiency, speed, quality and performance. Automated industrial applications range from manufacturing process assembly lines to surgery and space research. Early automated systems focused on increasing productivity, as these systems do not need to rest like human employees, but this focus is now shifting to improved quality and flexibility in manufacturing and more. Modern automated systems are developing beyond mechanization with the addition of artificial and machine learning. However, automation and robotics are not the same thing. This area of engineering uses multiple disciplines to design, build, program and use robots. Robots are programmable machines that use sensors and actuators to interact with the physical world and perform actions autonomously or semi-autonomously. Because they can be reprogrammed, robots are more flexible than single-function machines. Collaborative robots are designed to complete tasks in a similar manner to humans. While traditional industrial robots tend to complete tasks more efficiently than humans. Robotics. The growth of industrial automation and robotics came from 19th century mechanized industry, where humans were called upon to operate increasingly complex machinery to deliver higher rates of productivity. As mechanization advanced, the machine operators became increasingly peripheral to the operation, and this notion was further advanced with industrial automation. Industrial automation required even less human control for basic and repetitive tasks, which displaced some jobs but also created new opportunities related to the automation itself. Domestic robots are electronic robotic devices that are designed to manage various types of tasks around the house. While some of these devices focus on functions such as house cleaning, others are designed to provide company for the elderly, monitor the activities of young children, and operate kitchen appliances. While the number and type of robots that are in actual use today are somewhat small, designs for robots with a broader range of capabilities are currently under development by a number of different companies. Of all the domestic robots currently in use today, the most common is the smart vacuum. This type of household robot is capable of maneuvering around the floor of a room, cleaning carpeting as well as hardwood and other types of floors. The robot uses sensors to identify the presence of furniture and other objects, and change direction when and as needed. Small and relatively simplistic, the robot takes up a fraction of the storage space required for a traditional vacuum cleaner. Robots like these normally operate with the use of a battery pack that can easily be recharged using household current. There are also domestic robots that are used as part of home security networks. Devices of this type are usually connected to computer systems within the home, using a wired or wireless connection. The robots are programmed to initiate a sequence of tasks in the event of movement outside windows or exterior doors, up to and including locking connecting doors between the room that has been breached and the remainder of the home. The robot can also trigger the security system to automatically contact law enforcement to report the break-in. Entertainment robots are another example of robots that are already in common usage. Robots of this type are designed to provide interactive entertainment and companionship for shut-ins, the elderly, or anyone who lives alone. The robots can be programmed for tasks such as playing verbal word games, receive voice commands to conduct web searches, and other simple activities that help to pass the time. Today's industrial robots do not resemble human beings. A robot in human form is called an android. The robotics industry is expected to grow significantly over the coming years. Estimates suggest that the sector could be worth as much as $260 billion by 2030. Much of this growth will come from professional services robots that perform useful tasks for humans, such as cleaning, delivering, and transporting. The 5th of November 2021. The goal of robotics is to design machines that can help and assist humans. Robotics integrates fields of instrumentation engineer, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, information engineering, mechatronics, electronics, bioengineering, computer engineering, control engineering, software engineering. Not only are robots able to work with better accuracy, which reduces the amount of time and materials wasted, they can also work faster and longer than humans can. While this can have an adverse impact on the jobs that people rely on, it also, by lower manufacturing costs, makes the price of goods cheaper. Thanks for watching.